Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the control button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 seconds, maybe 10. Keep holding the button. And after the screen goes blank, it means that the watch turned off. After it turns off, wait a second or two, and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the control button again. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the control button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. And as you can see, you're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.